airlines have systems in place to help reunite you with your lost luggage. Most bags are found and returned within 48 hours. In the meantime, there are steps you can take to make the process smoother. While we can't control everything, we can definitely take steps to minimize the risk of lost luggage. Start by packing smart. Use a luggage tracker to keep tabs on your bag's location. Make sure your contact information is clearly visible on your luggage tag. That's what we'll explore together today. We'll go over tips and tricks to ensure your luggage arrives safe and sound. From packing strategies to what to do if your bag goes missing, we've got you covered. Let's turn that frown upside down and make sure your bags arrive safe and sound. With a little preparation and the right mindset, you can travel with confidence, knowing that even if the unexpected happens, you'll be ready to handle it. Losing your luggage is like losing a part of your trip. It's not just about the physical items. It's about the plans and dreams you had for your journey. It's a stressful and disheartening experience that can quickly dampen your travel spirits. The anticipation of exploring new places and creating unforgettable memories is suddenly overshadowed by the anxiety of missing belongings. Imagine arriving at your destination, exhausted from a long flight, only to discover that your bag, filled with carefully chosen outfits and essential toiletries, has gone astray. The excitement of starting your adventure is replaced with a sinking feeling of loss. Suddenly, you're faced with the daunting task of navigating a foreign city in search of replacements, spending precious vacation time and money on items you already own. Instead of enjoying the sights and sounds of a new place, you're stuck in stores, trying to find clothes that fit, and toiletries that meet your needs. The inconvenience is undeniable, and the emotional impact can be significant. The frustration of having to adjust your plans, the disappointment of not having your favorite outfits, and the stress of dealing with airline customer service can all take a toll on your mental well-being. The feeling of vulnerability and the frustration of having your plans disrupted can cast a long shadow over your trip. You might find yourself constantly checking your phone for updates, hoping for a miracle that your luggage will be found and returned to you. The uncertainty can make it hard to fully relax and enjoy your vacation. Dealing with lost luggage often involves filling out forms, making phone calls, and waiting in long lines at the airport. The process can be time-consuming and frustrating, especially when you're already tired from traveling. You might have to provide detailed descriptions of your missing items and answer numerous questions, all while trying to stay calm and patient. In some cases, airlines may offer temporary compensation, such as vouchers for essential items or a small amount of money to help you get by until your luggage is found. While this can provide some relief, it doesn't fully make up for the inconvenience and stress of losing your belongings. The moment when your luggage is finally returned to you can be a huge relief. The joy of being reunited with your belongings can feel like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders. However, the experience of losing your luggage can leave a lasting impression, making you more cautious and prepared for future trips. To minimize the risk of lost luggage, many travelers take extra precautions, such as packing essential items in their carry-on, using luggage tracking devices, and labeling their bags with clear contact information. These steps can help ensure that even if your luggage goes missing, you'll be better equipped to handle the situation. Despite the challenges, it's important to remember that losing your luggage doesn't have to ruin your trip. With a positive attitude and a bit of resourcefulness, you can still make the most of your travel experience and create lasting memories. The first step to avoiding lost luggage starts even before you leave home with smart packing. It's tempting to just throw everything in your suitcase, especially when you're excited about your trip. But trust me, a little organization goes a long way. Start by making a list of essentials. Think about what you absolutely cannot live without during your trip. Pack those items in your carry-on bag. This way, even if your checked luggage gets delayed, you'll have the essentials with you. Packing cubes, these little fabric wonders are a game changer. They're like drawers for your suitcase, keeping everything organized and compact. Instead of your clothes becoming a jumbled mess, packing cubes keep everything separate and easily accessible. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit into your suitcase when you use them. Plus, they make unpacking a breeze. Section 5. Mastering the art of packing. Now let's talk about the art of packing itself. The key here is to be strategic. Start by rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling not only saves space, but also reduces wrinkles. It's a win-win. Next, utilize every nook and cranny. Stuff socks and underwear inside shoes, fill gaps with smaller items, and consider using compression bags for bulky items like sweaters. Remember, efficient packing not only saves space, but also helps prevent your belongings from shifting during transit, reducing the risk of damage or your bag bursting open. Section 6. Labeling your luggage, a must-do. Imagine this. Your bag gets lost, but it has a clear and distinctive tag with your contact information. The chances of it finding its way back to you increase exponentially. Never underestimate the power of a good luggage tag. Make sure your tag is durable, clearly displays your name, phone number, and email address, and consider adding a bright ribbon or sticker to make your bag easily identifiable. Section 7. Navigating the airport maze. All right, you've packed smart, labeled your luggage, and now you're at the airport. The airport can be a bustling and overwhelming place, but with a few tips, you can navigate it like a pro. Let's talk about navigating the check-in and security process smoothly. First things first, arrive at the airport with plenty of time to spare. Aim to be there at least 2 to 3 hours before your flight, especially for international travel. This buffer time will help you handle any unexpected delays, long lines, or last-minute issues without stress. Rushing leads to mistakes, and we want to avoid those. When checking in, double-check that the airline representative has the correct destination tag on your luggage. It's a small step, but it can save you a lot of trouble later. Also, make sure your carry-on complies with the airline's size and weight restrictions to avoid any last-minute repacking. Once you've cleared security, hold onto your baggage claim ticket like it's a winning lottery ticket. This little piece of paper is crucial. Not only will you need it to retrieve your luggage on arrival, but it also serves as proof of ownership should any issues arise. Keep it in a safe and easily accessible place. You'll need it to retrieve your luggage on arrival, and it also serves as proof of ownership should any issues arise. While waiting for your flight, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the airport layout. Look for signs indicating your gate, restrooms, and food options. Knowing where these are can save you time and reduce stress, especially if you're in a hurry. If you have time, consider visiting an airport lounge. Many offer day passes and provide a quiet place to relax, with amenities like Wi-Fi, snacks, and comfortable seating. It's a great way to unwind before your flight. Finally, keep an eye on the departure board for any updates on your flight. Delays and gate changes are common, and staying informed will help you adjust your plans accordingly. With these tips, you'll be able to navigate the airport maze with confidence and ease. Safe travels! Section 8. Shielding your belongings. While we're doing everything we can to prevent lost luggage, it's also smart to be prepared for the worst-case scenario. Invest in durable luggage that can withstand the rigors of travel. Look for sturdy materials, smooth rolling wheels, and secure zippers. Consider using a TSA-approved lock to add an extra layer of security. And don't forget about travel insurance. A good travel insurance policy will cover lost, stolen, or damaged luggage, giving you peace of mind and financial protection in case the unexpected happens. Section 9. Takeaways for stress-free travel. So there you have it. Remember, a little planning and preparation can go a long way in preventing lost luggage and ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip. Pack smart, label clearly, navigate the airport with ease, and protect your belongings with durable luggage and travel insurance. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of your